everybody, it's Rob Picks. Today I'm doing a little video for some mail call video. Got some pretty cool stuff to show. So first, right here, got some locks from CMFXA, I believe that's how you say it. Got this Eva lock, which is insane keyway. I haven't played with it yet, but I know that's going to be one hell of a pick. So got that. Got this Slag Everest, and a nice little kick cylinder. Then over here, this one comes from Mr. Brian Break Shit. Let's see what we got here. We got, I believe this is his first or second challenge lock, so it's gonna be pretty fun. Then we got an Alroy's Toys number 26. It's gonna be another fun one to play with. Oh, we sent a little Master 140. I love these little locks. And right here, so we've been talking about doing my belt, trying to get my blue belt and everything. So he let me borrow this Canard dimple lock. Pretty nice looking lock there. So hopefully I can get that on video and get that belt put in. And right here, oh, you see this. Ah, that's cool. Little leather holder. It's for like some turners or something. It's pretty cool. That's what these are. And we got some dimple picks right here. So we were talking about these, and I've been wanting to see how these handles are and everything before I get some. So it's gonna be pretty fun to play with. I got the black flags, but these handles seem like they'll be a little more comfortable for my fat hands, so it's gonna be fun to play with. So I appreciate that, Brian. Thank you for all this and letting me borrow that lock. Can't wait to get into these ones. All right. So next, we got Spicy, package from Spicy. Let's see here. Ooh, we got some stickers. Little Spicy Nug lock. That's cool. Little doggy. That's cool. It gets worse before before it gets worse, that's for sure. There we go. Sweet. Appreciate that, Spicy. Some cool stickers. He even got his own stamp. That's cool. Oh, got it. Here we go. Oh, these other locks he sent. Yes, Purple Out, here we come. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Let's see. So we were talking, can't remember what live it was in. I believe it was live when I was on live with Texas Rebel, and we were just all chatting and whatnot. And he was nice enough to let me borrow these locks to play around with. So we got that Asa. Look at that. This nice little lock right there. That's gonna be fun. What's this? Oh, these are the keys. Okay. And we got this little multi-lock. Oh, look at that. Look at that shine. That's sweet. Can't wait to play with these. So, big thanks to Spicy for that too. Thank you very much, good sir. Really appreciate that. Let's get this back in here. Keep that all together. last but not least, it was a pretty good week for some mail call. I just got all these ones actually yesterday. So then over here we got, trying to keep people's address out of it, Eagle was nice enough to let me get first dibs on this challenge lock that he made, Lefty Lucy. It's a pretty nice lock. It was a really fun pick. I know this is supposed to be a mail call, but I couldn't help myself. I had to open this right away and play with it. It was a real fun one right here. So, Lefty Lucy. Hopefully sometime soon I can get my hands on righty tighty so I can get the whole the whole lock, get to take down the whole lock. So that was really fun. So I appreciate these three guys, Eagle, Brian, and Spicy. Thank you very much for sending me this stuff. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun couple days, maybe weeks. We shall see. So appreciate y'all tuning in, and see you in the next one.